Hi everyone, welcome to 52 Weeks of Colorspiration, where Ms. Left-Handed Crafter, who is Brandy, hi Brandy, and I are just trying to do some coloring and inspire you to pull out your coloring medium of choice and a coloring book or a stamped image or whatever and color with us. It can be very relaxing and it's a lot of fun. So as you can see, I used a whole bunch of colors this week. It actually looks like more than it is because some of them are two shades of the same color, like light and dark. I used a little bit of the color remover, but it didn't really do what I wanted it to do this time. Anyway, let's see. We have Highland Heather, light and dark. These are all Stampin' Up. Ugh. I also used some Hobby Lobby gel pens. I used a metallic, a couple neon, and I think one of the pastel. I'm just going to put these away while we're doing this. This one is a Retire Color Polished Pink because I like that color. This is a new color, Darling Duckling, which I'm growing to like. I didn't think I'd like it, but I think this one is still Current Azure Afternoon. Also like that color. And, oops, Shaded Spruce, which is current as far as I know. And also one of my favorite greens, especially for holiday time. Pecan Pie, which is one of my favorite browns, and I need to order a new one of those. Smoky Slate, my favorite gray. This, I only used the light of this. This is a new color, the Timid Tiger. Yeah, and it's a okay orange. I used a dark Granny Apple Green, but I used also Parakeet Party, which is retired color. And I used a dark black and the color remover. Yay, they're all off my desk. Yay. And I also used just one of these. I think the 1.0 in the Jelly Roll White. I do like these. They came in a set of 3.05, the '08, and the 1. I like the 8 and the 1 best. And then, of course, I already told you about the Hobby Lobby gel pens. So they're all put in their places. So what did I do? I used this book, which is one of the two books that Brandy and I picked for our end of month. But I used it this week for one of the pictures that we did not pick. And it's right behind this page that I had done, I don't know when. When did I do this? I did it for Mandala Monday in January. So, yeah. So lately, I've been pulling weeds, planting flowers, and putting mulch down. So I thought it was appropriate to do a gardening page. Um, yeah, so I did the little garden boots, which I don't have any of. And I did them in the shaded spruce, polished pink, and black. And also used a pink, I think it's kind of a pink neon pen just to highlight it, which you're not going to be able to see. This is lavender. What is it? Lovely lavender? Oh, shoot. I can't remember the names. Highland Heather, excuse me. Highland Heather, light and dark, but then I went over the circles with the gel pen and also did some white highlights with the gel pen. This is Pecan Pie and Smoky Slate, light and dark, but I went over the metal part with a metallic silver. And these are the Darling Duckling, the Timid Tiger, I think pretty, what I say that was? Polished Pink, um, Parakeet Party, Granny Apple Green for the darker stripes, and a little bit of the neon gel pen in the middle of these flowers, and then the white jelly roll to highlight the tips of the flowers. And I think they came out cute. So, and a metallic silver also up here for the buckle of the boots. I love the boots. I want a pair. And yeah, so that's my page. Very easy. I didn't have a lot of time this time, so I decided to start with the alcohol markers and then just accent them. And I hope you enjoyed it. So please do go check out, and this is Sunday, June 8th, I believe. And I'm getting ready to go walk with my daughter very soon to go brush my teeth and get dressed. Eee. Anyway, too much information. All right, guys. And this is why I don't show me, because half the time when I'm crafting, I'm in my PJs or really sloppy clothes. So I don't like to, and my hair right now is a disaster. It's morning hair. Let's just say that. All right, have to go. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Be sure to check out Brandy at Left Handed Crafter. She'll be linked down below. I know that 2 people have played along, not every week, but Polly's Pretty's Coloring and Crafting and Coloring with Tess. I have seen. Um, Color along either in a short or a regular video. So be sure to check their channel out. They're both fabulous people. And I will talk to you again very, very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.